Hello and welcome to a brand new game from LeoMia Lingo. We call this Guess Who. The rules are simple. I am going to describe a very famous person. I will give you clues about his life, his career, and his personality. You just have to listen and guess who it is. The clues will get more specific as we go, so pay close attention. Let's begin. Our mystery person is a very wealthy man. He is a mogul in the truest sense of the word. He was born into a rich family, but he took that family's business and made it a global symbol of luxury. He is synonymous with the 1980s, a decade of big money and even bigger ambitions. His primary business? Real estate. He loves building things, very tall, very shiny things. And he especially loves putting his own name on them, in giant golden letters. If you've ever been to New York City, you have definitely seen his work. Do you have a guess? No? Okay, let's make it a little harder and a little more fun. Our mystery man isn't just a businessman. He is a full-blown celebrity. For decades, he has been a fixture in the media. He loves the spotlight. He's also an actor. Well, sort of. He had a famous cameo in a very popular 1990s Christmas movie where he gave a young boy directions in a fancy hotel lobby. He also owned a famous beauty pageant where women from all over the world competed for a crown. He was a household name long before he ever got into his most recent job. Getting warmer? You might be thinking of a few people. Let's talk about his unique look. You would know this person just from a silhouette. His appearance is unmistakable. First, his hair. It's iconic. It's a very famous, very bold style that has been the subject of endless public speculation. And then there's his skin tone. He is known for a very distinct, very deep orange tan color. He's tall and is almost never seen without his uniform, a dark suit and a very long tie, often bright red. I think you know who it is now, but just in case, here is the final set of clues. Let's talk about his personality. He is an avid fan of golf and owns many famous, luxurious golf courses all over the world. He is also known for his unique way of speaking. He uses simple words, a lot of hyperbole, that means exaggeration, and often describes things as great, huge, or the best. And finally, he is famous for his very direct and very frequent use of social media to share his unfiltered opinions with the world. Okay, let's review the clues one last time. A New York real estate mogul who loves golden letters. A celebrity who had a cameo in a famous 90s Christmas movie, known for his iconic hair and orange tan skin. And an avid golf fan who speaks with a lot of hyperbole. Do you know who it is? We're sure you do. Go to the comments right now and write your guess. We want to see who figured it out first. Vocabulary Deep Dive. This was a game, but it was also a vocabulary lesson. You just heard some fantastic advanced English words. Let's review them. Mogul, noun. We said he was a real estate mogul. This means he is one of the most powerful people in that industry. Synonymous, adjective. His name is synonymous with that brand. When you think of one, you think of the other. Cameo, noun. He had a small cameo in a movie. He wasn't a main star, but he appeared as himself. Unmistakable, adjective. His look is unmistakable. It's very easy to know who it is just by looking. Hyperbole, noun. He uses hyperbole. When he says it's the best in the world, he is exaggerating. Avid, adjective. He is an avid golf fan. This means he really, really loves golf. Thank you for playing Guess Who with us. You practiced your listening and learned some powerful new vocabulary. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments who we should describe next. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Happy and chill learning to all of you. LeoMia Lingo.